boys, what is going on, guys? We are hopping up in the M. Take a ride. POV. Alrighty. Back up in the M6. How you guys doing? Got another POV coming for you guys today. I hope y'all enjoy. So what's going on, guys? I just kind of wanted to film like a oh, you better go so I can make it. You better go. All right, we're out here. I just kind of wanted to film like a little getting in the car thing before this. I don't know how that's gonna come out or not. Hopefully it comes out good. But what's up, guys? Another POV. I don't really know if I have anything specific to talk about today. A couple things. I mean, there's a couple mods that I do eventually want to do for this car. I know some of you guys have been asking about an exhaust and stuff like that. I do, like, I don't know, part of me really wants to lower this car. It would be really cool to have it lower just because it looks really good. But, and I may have mentioned this in a video before, I'm not sure if I have, but these cars, these M cars, they're built on a track. You know what I mean? They track test these cars on the Nürburgring in Germany hundreds of times before they actually start producing them and release them to the public, right? So this car has been tested. You know what I'm saying? You see where I'm getting at with this? These cars have been tested hundreds and hundreds of times with this stance setup, this suspension, and these wheels. And you know what I'm saying? Like, everything is the way it was from the track. So I'm just kind of afraid to take away from, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm just driving this thing as a daily. I'm not tracking this car, so it's not like I need it. But at the same time, like, why get rid of it if I don't have to? You know, if the car's got the performance. Oh, this guy in this C63, I've actually ran him before, but I beat him just barely because that's a 63. It's still pretty quick on my side here. But what do you call it? I can't be running in this area anymore because there's a lot of cops around here. I would like to do a run with him right now, though. If he's still with me when we get on the highway, I'll do a run with him, and I'll let him see that I have this big dumb camera on my head too, and then he'll probably go crazy. And he's right next to us right now. This guy right here. All right, so he must not want to run because he don't have his window open. Last time he just had his window open, ready to go. But yeah, so that's that. I mean, there are some cosmetic mods that I want to do. Like, of course, I did my wing. I would eventually like to, like I told you guys, get a full kit, like the side skirts and the front lip and the, you know, rear diffuser and all that. That's something I might do eventually. But at the same time, I'm a little torn between doing that or putting on some like MSR intakes or an exhaust or something, you know, that performance or something that makes the car sound better. But I don't know. Who knows? So I'll be doing that 100 subscriber special soon, where I'm going to take a ride out to Manhattan and, you know, get this car. This car's been to the city once, just when I drove it home from Vegas. But I want to have it in the city, like, for real, like actually bring it to Manhattan, because it drove like around the city to get home. You know, I didn't really go through like actual Manhattan. So I do want to do that. I'm going to do my 100 subscriber special. I'm going to go to Times Square. I'm gonna hop out the car, you know, get some visuals of the car in Times Square. It'd be nice. I know I've talked about it 100 times, but the reason I'm bringing it up now is because I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna record it. So I would like to record it on my phone, just because, like, I didn't want to cut this Honda off. I'd like to record it on my phone just because it has the, you know, the 4K HD quality with the 60 FPS. But the thing is, my phone's memory, I just don't know if I'm gonna I'm just too afraid to take the chance of leaving my house to go to the city, and I record the whole ride to the city, and then I get to the city and I'm out of storage, and now I can't, you know, record the city part. I don't mind not being able to record the ride home. I would like to, but if I can't, then it is what it is, as long as I can get the first two halves. But my plan right now, what I'm thinking about doing is, since our buddy in the comments down there a little while ago suggested me that Google Drive thing that I've been using for these videos as of late, what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna take the trip. I'll drive until it runs out of memory. Once I run out of memory, I'll stop the car, pull over to the side of the road, upload the video to iCloud or to the Google Drive, sit there and wait for it to upload, because fuck it, why not, right? And then I'll just delete it afterwards, after I upload it to the drive. And then once it's on the drive, I will then be able to record more video because I have the space. He just took off. Oh, I gotta put your sports displays up. I almost forgot. I'm gonna kind of just cat and mouse this guy if he decides. Oh, he's taking off. I was gonna say if he decides to get cutty, I'll get cutty with him, but I'm not really trying to do no drag runs right now. Now he's racing that white Beamer truck. Ah, he's getting over the bastard. Oh, is that this thing popping? I don't know if y'all heard those pops. I don't know if that was the C or if that was the Beamer truck. I feel like it was the Beamer truck. It sounded like it was right next to me. Alright, so to send a signal, I'm not going to go crazy while I'm in front of him, because I don't want to make this into a competition. So I'll wait until he passes me or comes back, and that's the end of that. Too open. I was going to wait till he passes me to go crazy again, which I am going to do. I'm not going to go crazy, but... So he's ahead of me now. He's right there. See what's going on. There's a nice little S500 in front of me here. So I got clipped here one time, so I'm going to keep it nice and calm. Let him get in front of me. Alright, now we can move. We're about to get on the highway. Yep, there we go. I gotta turn my... Yep. What, you can't take the turn fast? We can do the turns fast. Go a little faster than that. Come on, you're in a C63. That thing can handle it. What happened? He's gonna get over. What's gonna happen here? I'm not passing you, dude. I'm just chasing. You know how I work. He wants me to try to pass him. We'll go for it. Fuck it. As soon as his turn, there's a car there. I think what he wants me to do is get next to him and try to pass him so that he can try to pass me, or not let me pass him. But, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm a little bit faster than he is. He's quick, don't get me wrong, but... Alright, this is where we're gonna do it right here. Oh, he's going. Same way. That's trouble. I know you can handle these turns a little more than that. I'm not sure why he's doing that. His car can handle it a little better than that. Even I could go faster. I'm only going like 30 right now. I could go much faster than this around this turn. Here we go. Pulling on him. He hit the brakes. I was pulling on him hard. Alright, well I do know I'm faster than him, as you guys could probably tell in the video. Right when he got all over it, I got all over it and I was pulling. Yeah, flash your brights at me. It's not going to put me behind you. Oh, I didn't know we were making noises. I think sounds good though. Of course it do. It's an AMG. I'll try to give him a sound clip under this tunnel. I'm not sure. I feel like he could cut up, but he's not. Oh, the Honda got out of his way. Oh yeah, he's right on this guy in the Honda's ass. He's about to go. Whoosh. Is he gonna do it or no? Yep, there he goes. Oh, I thought he was gonna go crazy when he did that. He didn't go crazy, he just barely went. I thought he was gonna take off. I think he wants to run. I like what they do to me. Let's see if he opens his window. Nope, he didn't open it. Alright, well, I don't know what he did, but... Oh, he's behind me now. Maybe he wants me to, like, lead. Oh, look at this guy almost driving into me. So we got a little bit of a run going with the C63, right? He took off. He definitely went full throttle. I went full throttle right behind him and kept or was pulling on him. Realistically, if we didn't have to hit the brakes because the cars were coming, I was definitely passing him. It's a nice fucking car though, man. Those C63s are dope, and it sounds really good. Go ahead, get in there, brother. Yep, there you go. So is he trying to do what I was trying to do in the beginning now? Just cruise calm? Because I'm down for that. I'm sure he'll probably surprise me again and take off like he did the last couple of times. So yeah, so I mean, just now that we're not in a intense situation anymore, I guess I'll get back to talking about what I was talking about earlier. So I'm torn between whether or not I want to do performance mods on this car or if I want to do cosmetic. I'll probably end up going with cosmetic just purely because, don't get me wrong, the car, you know, any car could be faster, but the car's pretty fucking fast already, so it doesn't really need to be that much faster. That's not, you know, #1 priority. But cosmetics, on the other hand, you know, there are other M6s in the world, so for another M6 to look like mine, I'm not having that. I would like to have an M6 that is unique. Here we go again. My son is wildin'. My son is wildin'. I'm with you though, brother. Anything you do, I'm right there behind you. Gotta go for it. You got to be able to make that move back, though. Make the move back. Make the move back. You got that. You got that. Go for it. All right, I'll do it instead. Should I just lose this kid? Well, I don't know where he went. where he went. I don't know if maybe he couldn't make the cut with me. I don't know what happened, but he's not with me no more. I hope this recording is still coming out good, even though my battery's getting low. The last couple of times I made a video, this part of the drive got cut out. Look at this guy. Fucking idiot. Driving over into my lane to try not to let me go around him. But yeah, so my memory ran out the last few times. I'm looking now, it looks like it's still recording, so you love to see that. I hope this turns out to be a good video, because I think the content of it should be pretty good. That was some good driving we had there. Yeah, man, so like I was saying, I don't really got much to say about when it comes to mods, just because, to be completely honest with you, I don't really want to do any mods at the moment. Like, I do eventually, I'm going to do mods soon, and I'm going to change shit up. But with the way everything is right now, if I'm being fully honest, the way the economy is and shit right now, I can't be just spending money on stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, your boy's got to save his money. I got other shit to worry about. I got to make sure my money's still making me money. You know what I'm saying? So I can't be out here spending it on shit like that. So don't get you know, too upset, because don't get me wrong, they will be coming. I will be modding this car. I ain't going nowhere. I've had a lot of YouTube channels in my past that I don't want to say they flopped. It wasn't a flop. It was more of just me giving up on them. This is the first account that I've gone as far as I have with, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. You guys have given me some feedback that has given me every single reason to continue doing what I'm doing. All I can think about when I'm doing this shit is your guys' positive comments. I fucking appreciate every single bit of that. You guys mean the world to me for that. 140 subscribers I'm at right now. To me, that's crazy. I ain't never had anything like that in my life when it comes to like a fan base. I've never had anything like that. So if you guys are liking my content, you guys are swinging back for another video every time I finish one up, that means everything to me, man. I really appreciate you guys. Drop a like, sub up if you're liking the content, sub up if you want to see more new content about the M6, maybe about the cut up driving in the game, maybe outside of the M6, not just a POV, but like a walk around. I could do, you know, give me some ideas in the comments. You guys, as you guys can probably see, you give me an idea in the comments, I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? So give me ideas in the comments. Again, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna do one quick little rip with the windows down. Sounded great. But other than that, man, once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. It's been J Whips. Check out some of the other videos on my channel. If not, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.